In this presentation, you will learn about migration. Migration means movement or shifting of people from one place to another. People move from one place to another for temporary or permanent settlement due to social, political, and religious reasons. Globalization has made migration of people easy and common. Let us look at the various types of migration. Migration within the country is called internal migration. Migration from one country to another country is called international migration. Apart from these broad categories, migration can be further classified into local migration. This involves movement of people from one locality to another. Regional migration involves movement of people from one region to another. Rural to urban migration involves movement of people from rural areas to cities, especially due to industrialization. Urban to rural migration involves movement of people from urban areas to rural areas due to high cost of urban living. Mass migration refers to movement of large groups of people from one geographical area to another. Forced migration refers to forced movement of people away from their home against their will due to violence, natural calamities, or communal riots. Let us now look at the causes of migration. Economic factors. Unemployment and poverty force people to migrate from one place to another. Rural people migrate to cities in search of employment opportunities for better salaries, incentives, and higher standard of living. Social factors. Migration may also take place due to social factors such as family, marriage, children, etc. For example, after marriage, a girl has to migrate from her place of residence to her husband's place. Or, if a child decides to study elsewhere, sometimes the parents also migrate to the place where the child has decided to study. Environmental factors. Natural disasters such as flood, famine, earthquake, etc. compel people to migrate to safer places. Medical factors. Some people experience poor health conditions due to unsuitable climate and high population levels. Due to this, they migrate from one place to another for better medical and health care facilities. Political factors. Political migration takes place due to political instability, communalism, linguism, regionalism, riots, terrorism, etc., which create conflict and violence in cities and states. Thus, political factors lead to migration of people to the place where there is proper law and order. Let us now look at the effects of migration. Brain drain. There has been migration of professionals, academicians, scientists, engineers, etc. to foreign countries. Due to this, their talent, knowledge and skills are denied to their own country's growth and development. Therefore, the country should undertake effective planning to solve the problem of brain drain. Increase of foreign exchange reserves. When people migrate to foreign countries, earn foreign currency, and send it to their families in the home country, there is an increase in the foreign exchange reserve of the home country. Fusion of cultures. International migration leads to fusion of culture due to exchange of cultural traits such as food habits, dressing style, language, etc., which results in change of lifestyle and personality of the migrant. Hostilities towards migrants. Migrants have to face hostilities from local people who may not treat them well, and they may even harm their life and property, leading to torture and harassment. Social and psychological problems. Migration leads to social problems such as overcrowding of people, growth of slums, increased crime and evils, spread of diseases, etc. When people migrate to different places, leaving behind their family, relatives, and friends, they feel lonely, isolated, and insecure, which leads to many psychological problems. Do hope this presentation was helpful in understanding the concept of migration. Thank you for watching the presentation.